Welcome to the Daily Trip Planner Kiosk tutorial provided to you by the Smithsonian Latino Center. This video is intended to show you how to use the day planner machines located in the kiosk of the Smithsonian Castle. This is the home page of the trip planner and will be the first thing you see when you start. To begin planning out your day, look at the section titled Your Visit Details and start by selecting the section What Interests You. You are then left with a bunch of options to choose from that are located on the Smithsonian National Mall with subcategories to help narrow down your search. For this example, we have selected History and then World History on the Menu tab. Click the down arrow of the What Interests You tab to close the sections and you will now see your choice highlighted within the menu. Next, select the following tab titled When Will You Visit? Following that selection, you are left with options on when you plan to make your visit to the Smithsonian National Mall. For this example, we will be selecting today as our day of visiting. Next, you are going to want to select the section titled For How Long to indicate the amount of time you are on your visit to the Smithsonian National Mall. Once you click the down arrow, a selection of times will appear ranging from 1 hour to a full day. For this example, we have selected a full day as our time for our visit. Lastly, we will now go to the section titled With Whom at the main menu. Once clicked, you will see the two options listed, one or more kids or adults only. For this example, we have selected adults only in the With Whom section. You have now completed filling in your visit details and are almost ready to go on your tour. Now you notice that to the right of the Visit Details menu, a range of exhibit and activity options have been displayed for you based off the visit details you have provided. For this example, we have selected the Sandra Cisneros altar located in the American History Museum. Once you've selected the exhibits you wish to view while on your visit, you will then be directed to the section titled Tell Us a Bit More, where you can select options on whether you would be eating during your visit or need wheelchairs or strollers. For this example, we'll be selecting that we need neither. If you did select that you are eating, shopping, or needing strollers or wheelchairs, however, the day planner would provide you on information on where to find these things on the National Mall. You now just have one more optional step for planning your day on the Smithsonian National Mall. At the top of the screen, you can select the option titled Email Route. On this page, you have the option of typing in your email so that the machine can send you the routes you will need to get to the exhibits you have selected to visit throughout your day. Congratulations, you have now completed the Day Trip Planner tutorial courtesy of the Smithsonian Latino Center. Remember, you can go plan your own day at the Smithsonian National Mall by using the machines in the Smithsonian Kiosk located at Jefferson Drive, 10th Street Southwest in Washington, D.C.